Hi, friends. I have a new subtraction strategy that I want to teach you today. So this is one of my favorites because it's use your fingers. And I love use your fingers because wherever you go, you've got your fingers right there with you. You don't have to run and get any supplies or anything like that. Use your fingers. Now, this is easiest. The way that we're doing it is if the first number, which is our big number, if that's either 10 or smaller, okay? Because how many fingers do we have? 10. So we'll be putting up our fingers to start out with. So you want to make sure you have enough fingers. Okay, so 10 or smaller for this strategy that we're working with today. So let's see how it goes. So the first problem I wrote on the board is 7 minus 3. 7 take away 3. So this first number is how many fingers you'll put up to start with. So that's 7 for this one. So 7. So we have to put up 7 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how I do 7, a 5 and a 2. Okay, 7. Now we need to take away this many. So how many is that? 3. 7, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. You want to carefully count your fingers as you take them away. Okay? And then to find the answer, count how many fingers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can write the answer right there. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, does that make sense? This shows you how many fingers to put up to start with. And then this is how many you're taking away. And this is how many are left. Let's try that one together. 8 minus 2. So let's all put up 8 fingers. How will you show 8 fingers? There's different ways to show 8 fingers. You could do 5 and 3. That makes 8 fingers. You could do 4 and 4. I like 4 and 4. I'm going to do 4 and 4. Okay, so 8. So we have our 8, either 5 and 3, 4 and 4. 8, and then take away 2. So we have to take away 2 of these fingers. 1, 2. Okay, took away 2. It's a little bit tricky sometimes with your fingers to get them to move how you want. Just kind of make them do it. But don't hurt yourself. Okay, so then do you remember what we do next? So we took away 2. What do we do to find out what the answer is? To count our fingers. Now this is hard because I have fingers on both hands. So if you need to, you can touch them to your chin, or you can tap them like on a surface like your table or on a board if you want to do it that way, like touching to my chin. Okay. So I'm going to count how many are left to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay. Now for today, we have a fun game that we're playing, and it looks like this. Okay, so this is our game, and you need, with this game, you need a dice, and you can use a dice that has numbers on it, or a dice that has dots, either one. And then you need like a cube or a little game piece or something like that to use as your little player that'll go around your board. You could use one of your little mini bears. Those are super cute, and that would be a fun one to use. Okay, so let me share my camera and I'll show you how to play. Oh, one more thing that you need today is like a crayon. Okay, crayon would be helpful. Okay, so to start out with, you are going to pick any square you want to start on. I'm just going to pick one. There we go. That's where I'm going to start. Okay. Now you're going to roll your die. I got 2. So I'm going to move 2 places, 2 hops. 1, 2. I'm just going to move it up so I can read the equation. And that one is 7 minus 5. So then you're going to practice using your fingers to solve it. So you should put up 7 fingers. I do 7 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And then take away 5. Oh, I know 5 is easy to take away. It's a whole hand. So take away 5 equals 1, 2. Okay, so 7 take away 5 equals 2. Then you're going to find a 2 down here at the bottom. and use your crayon to put an X on it. Did it. Okay, and then roll again. 3. So do 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got 7, take away 2. And here's 7. You can do 5 and 2. You can also do 4 and 3 for 7. Okay, now take away 2. 1, 2. Count your fingers when you take them away, okay? And then how many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. So do you remember what I need to do now? If I know the answer is 5. That's right. Put an X on a 5. And then you keep going and going and going. See if you can see how many of these numbers down at the bottom you can cross off as you go around the game board. Okay, so this one, all of these start with numbers either 10 or smaller. So you can use your fingers. I really want you to practice using your fingers today to do this subtraction work. Okay? All right, I know that you can do this. It's a fun one. So go ahead and get started. See you later.